Sephora haul. And this is like serious because I didn't get one of those miniature bags. Like I got an actual like bag. I needed to replace a few things, so I replaced the few things. But I also like really wanted to shop. First things first, I got the Kayali Yummy Marshmallow. So I've already gone through 2 full-size bottles. Well, 1 full-size bottle and a half bottle. And I think it's because I bring it with me to travel. So I bought like the small little travel size so that I can have another one for when I'm traveling or want to put in my purse. And I'm not using like my everyday one all the time. Although I rotate my scents on a regular basis. Next, I replaced my Fenty Butter Drop. This is the refill. This is like my 3rd or 4th time replacing the refill because I just love it, especially in the summertime because it's like very lightweight and it just smells really good. And I also use the travel size ones of these and like all the other scents, but this one is the real deal. I use it year round, but mostly in the summer because I like to be moisturized but not like drenched in moisture and like hot and sweaty and sticky and all. I got a new Summer Fridays. This one is strawberry soft serve. It's like a darker pink. I have the birthday cake one and I'm like almost out of that one, and that one was limited edition and I'm so sad, but I'm excited to try this one and I really like pink gloss, so let's see. Like it looks pretty much nude, but it looks good and it tastes really good. It really does taste like strawberry. And this is like one of the very few lip glosses that I can wear on a day-to-day basis. This in Laneige that don't break my lips out after a while. So love Summer Fridays for that. I needed a new brow pencil, so I got the Sephora Shake and Sketch brow felt liner. This is my first time using this one. I had been using a MAC felt liner. So basically the same thing, pretty much same color. I don't always do my brows because like obviously like my glasses cover my brows, but whenever I do a full face and I decide to do like contacts or something, it comes in handy. Or if I just want to like enhance, you know, whatever I got going on under the glasses, you know. I'm trying the Refi brush. It's a duo brush, so it's for bronzer and for blush. And this one I didn't have before. This is my first time trying the Refi brush, but I really like Refi products, mainly the lip glosses because I'm a lip gloss junkie. But every time I travel, I forget either my blush brush or my contour brush. So it's good to have a 2-in-1. So I'm going to put this in my travel makeup bag because that happened to me last week. I forgot my contour brush, so I had to use my blush brush for both. And like the brown and the pink, that really just, it was just extra work that was unnecessary. So now I have it 2-in-1 and hopefully I don't have that issue again. Now I have the Rare Beauty liquid blush. This one is the color Happy. This is my absolute favorite. It's a really soft pink. I also use the color, I believe it's Lucky. It's like a hot pink. That one looks really good when I'm tan, but I'm also really liking how it looks with my tan this summer in this color. And I'm pretty much out. I've had it for a really long time. I think I've had it since 2021. And then I also have the small travel size that I have in my travel makeup bag. So this is my 2nd time or 3rd if you count the travel size replacing this, but absolutely love this color. And the final 2 things that I got were these anti-dark circle eye patches for me and my mom to use. We're gonna do them together tonight. That's it for my Sephora haul. Good night, guys.